Now, in using the Learning Mastery Gradebook for standards-based grading, our intent is to show our students and their families how they are doing on specific learning standards. Therefore, a total grade has no meaning. And so we want to hide that from the student grading page. And so to do that, we're going to go ahead and go back down into settings. Remember, that's down there at the bottom. Okay. And we're just going to click there. And now this part is kind of hidden towards the bottom, so we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right here you see the words More Options, and we're going to click there. And you can see that under here I've already got it checked, but there is a checkbox here that says Hide Totals in Student Grades Summary. And so we're going to check that, and then we're going to hit Update Course Details. And now to show it, we can go to, we'll go to People, and pull up an individual student's grades. And we'll go to Samantha Student and Grades. Now notice it's showing for us, but for her, it shows this. Calculation totals have been disabled. As well, here it does not show totals or subtotals. Now, it does still show for teachers, but the students won't see it. But we'll deal with the teachers bit here in another video. Cheers.